Here we're showing the Simply Thick thickener product and how to thicken liquids using this product. First of all, when you need a bottle of thickener, you can get that from the dietary department. The nozzle itself is reusable, so if you're taking it off an empty bottle, put it directly on your new bottle. Don't lay it on any surface counter unless you have a clean barrier, like a clean paper towel, on that surface first. Best thing is to take it right out of the old bottle and put it right in the new and not lay it down at all. Also, you have to date the bottle when you open it, and whenever you use this product, make sure it's within 90 days of the date open. If you're getting close to the 90 days, good idea to swap this bottle out with the kitchen so we don't waste product. They do use the same product to thicken liquids in the kitchen. Now, you have to pre-measure everything that you thicken. Now, when you put a new nozzle on a bottle, you have to prime it first, meaning you need to pump it several times and make sure that the liquid starts to come out before you actually try to put the first amount of product in a liquid. You have to pre-measure all your liquid. So if we were going to make a 4-ounce beverage for our resident, we want to measure our liquid in a graduated cup up to the 4-ounce mark. And you can use this in a hot or a cold beverage. Pour your liquid into your serving cup. The back of the bottle of thickener shows you how much thickening product to put in your beverage, whether it's a 4-ounce beverage or an 8-ounce beverage, and also is based on the 3 different consistencies of thickening: nectar, honey, and pudding. If it's a 4-ounce beverage, for nectar we give 1 stroke of product, for honey it's 2, and for pudding it's 1. So you start with 1, you double to 2, then you double back to 4. If it's an 8-ounce beverage, then you're going to double all those numbers. Start with 2 for nectar, go to 4 for honey, go to 8 for pudding. So in this particular scenario, we're going to assume for our 4-ounce beverage that our resident's on a nectar thick diet. So we're going to put 1 stroke of product, just 1 push of the pump. You have 2 ways to stir or blend that thickener into your liquid. If you have a lid, you can apply the lid to your cup, hold the top, and then shake it briskly for 5 to 10 seconds. Now once you're done shaking it, you'll notice the product is kind of bubbly, and that's normal. Those bubbles will go away, but there's no grit or powder like there is with the powder thickening. The other way, if you don't have a lid for your cup, is you can use a fork. But when you use a fork, you need to stir briskly for 20 to 30 seconds. Important to make sure if you're using a lid to shake that you got at least 1 inch of headspace at the top of your cup. If you're stirring with a fork, you need about 2 to 3 inches of headspace so you're not splashing out of the cup. You can freeze the product, you can microwave the product. When you take it out of the microwave or the freezer and it thaws, it'll still have that same level of consistency. And that is the Simply Thick product.